Hi, my name is Emma Cheshire-Jones.
My name is Vincent Burke.
My name is Guy.
I'm currently taking part in the Screen Industry Starter Bootcamp. We look at all aspects of production, from behind the camera to in front of the camera, also going to the studio spaces, which is still to come. But it's just a really nice way of kind of learning what is involved, from editing to camera skills, using sound production, microphones. And for me personally, these are all kind of brand new skills, so it's really interesting.
Even if you changing career from one industry to another, like myself, or if you're starting, it's a great way to show you, to give you a taste.
I think it's all been very useful to really give you a better idea of what it might take to get a job in the industry.
I would definitely recommend the course. It's actually exceeded my expectations so far, and we're not even at the end of it. But it's been really interesting to learn about aspects that I didn't think I needed to learn about.
I really enjoy it. It was really good and important for me to show a completely different industry that I didn't have any idea of, and it was a very vast experience, from like very small details, from setting up yourself to be ready to work in the industry, going through all location, in studio equipment and process, and also great for networking.
Regardless what age you are, this course is really interesting. Like for me, the colleagues on this course, we're from all different backgrounds, all different ages, and it's a really nice group of people who are from different subject backgrounds looking to cross over into TV industry. It's a really nice group of people, and it's not something that, if you've ever thought about this industry and kind of questioned it, this is a nice way of just educating yourself if you are able to take part and just learn a bit more, and you lose nothing trying.